What up? It's Matt, Taco Potato Mustang. I'm excited to report that I just did something that I've been meaning to do for a while in the garage, and that is lighting. I still need to do that side, but I finally was able to get the super bright light into a fixture that allows it to point directly down instead of like off to the side or whatever. So pretty exciting stuff. So it's a couple days later, and I'm happy to report that the lighting for the garage is still doing what it's supposed to be doing. Pretty bright. So if you've been following the channel, you know that one of the things issues that I have with that light is that the fixture from the garage light had this where you screw in the bulb itself. It had this angle, and for the longest time I was trying to find something that was like around this size and shape, but had this part sticking straight down, which is, of course now it's so bright that you can't really see, but you can see that it's a little smaller, and it's like kind of a metal finish. It actually looks copper if you can see it in the light. So my mom, who was visiting, actually found that, but it was a piece of, I'll just show you, I can't find anything right now. So got this thing at Lowe's for like $7 or $8, and the only thing I actually needed was this part, which included the wiring that you needed to get it situated correctly into the ceiling. So then after confirming that this one worked for what I needed it for, I went to Lowe's again yesterday, I think, and I bought another one of these, and I was also gonna try and find another one of these triple like crazy bright light things, but I think I got that at Home Depot. The one that they had at Lowe's is this GE Ultra Bright thing, and what's nice about this is it comes, so this one actually has a sensor if you wanted to use that, and it has a brightness meter, can go from high, medium, low, I guess. So this piece is basically the same thing as that light, except the only thing that came with that light was like basically this piece that you just screw into a socket. So, but this one, if I can get my camera situated, but this one came with, no, I can't. Actually came with this piece that I had been looking for, and it has a ground wire, and then it's presumably the two wires that just need to go into where the light is. And then it also gives you, there's like oh, come on. Hang on. And there's also this like mounting piece. So I assume basically it would go like this, so you get a cleaner setup, and it's all in one package for $30, which I think, I don't know a ton about garage lighting, but that seems like a pretty good deal. And then they also give you I don't know what these things are called, but they are like caps for connecting the wires that you need to get the light functioning. So my plan, maybe when it stops raining, is to get that light replaced, and then we'll just see how it compares to this other one. I mean, as long as they both work and they're both bright, I'll just use mismatched lights in the garage, which is fine. And then, you know, we'll be in a much more well-lit situation for working on the 2 Mustangs. So pretty excited about finally having some better lighting in the garage. I haven't made any progress on either. Well, I mean, I don't really have much planned for the black car or the Dude Stang right now, but I have been thinking about getting a setup that has Apple CarPlay, because this is one of the three cars that does not have CarPlay, and it's now, after having that very convenient interface in both the other vehicles, it's kind of annoying not having it in the Coyote Mustang, even though it's like 26 years older than the Fox body, or newer than the Fox body. So yeah, but yeah, I think maybe today, it might be starting to get dark now. It's the only downside of fall. Starting to get dark, and we'll see if I can make time to get this light fixture installed. If not, I'll try and do it tomorrow when I'm on my lunch break or something, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm not gonna have time to do this right now, but I will update my next video, vlog, whatever, with the results of the new lighting, comparing the GE to the, I can't remember what brand this is. I got it from Home Depot, I'm pretty sure. I'll have to look that up, but next video we'll do like a comparison to the GE and see which one does the job better, and also presumably see how easily the installation goes on the new one. Anyways, keep an eye out for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe. Peace out.